Fireflies AI Honest Review Watch Before Using. You can find the links to Fireflies AI in the description below. Fireflies AI is a productivity tool designed to automatically record, transcribe, and analyze your meetings and conversations. It's especially useful for professionals who want to save time on manual note-taking and ensure they don't miss important details during meetings. One of the key features of Fireflies AI is its ability to integrate with popular conferencing platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, making it easy to capture and store conversations from almost any meeting environment. What makes Fireflies particularly powerful is its transcription accuracy and the ability to search through transcripts using keywords. This is especially valuable for teams that need to review past conversations or extract critical insights from lengthy discussions. You can tag teammates, assign action items, and share meeting highlights, which makes collaboration much easier. In addition, Fireflies supports audio analysis, which can help you identify trends or patterns in how your team communicates and interacts with clients. Fireflies AI is perfect for remote teams, project managers, sales professionals, and anyone who conducts regular meetings and wants an automated way to track key points and actions. It's particularly useful for sales and customer support teams who can use the data from transcripts to improve processes and client communication. While it's a powerful tool, note that Fireflies AI may not always perfectly capture every word, especially in noisy environments, so some manual editing may still be necessary. If you're looking for a tool that helps you optimize meeting efficiency and track conversations without the hassle of manual note-taking, Fireflies AI is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more honest reviews on AI tools and business solutions. Your support helps others discover these valuable tools. Thanks for watching.